Welcome to 1432 Lindakerist Drive, an exquisite residence nestled in the prestigious enclave of Beverly Hills. This property embodies the epitome of luxury living and offers a refined escape in one of the most coveted neighborhoods in the world. Beverly Hills Prestige. Situated in the heart of Beverly Hills, 1432 Lindakerist Drive boasts the prestige and exclusivity that the neighborhood is renowned for. The address alone evokes images of sophistication and elegance. Architectural beauty. The property's architectural beauty is a sight to behold. The fusion of classic design elements and modern features creates a timeless aesthetic that seamlessly blends with the Beverly Hills landscape. Prime location. The prime location of 1432 Lindakerist Drive offers easy access to the finest amenities that Beverly Hills has to offer. From high-end shopping to upscale dining, the best of Los Angeles is at your doorstep. Luxurious interiors. Inside, the interiors are a celebration of luxury and elegance. The meticulous attention to detail, high-end finishes, and tasteful decor create an ambiance of opulence throughout the residence. Open living spaces. The property boasts open and spacious living areas that are ideal for both relaxation and entertainment. The seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces enhances the overall living experience. Tranquil retreat. The outdoor areas of 1432 Lindakerist Drive offer a tranquil retreat from the bustle of the city. The meticulously landscaped gardens, serene patio spaces, and sparkling pool provide a peaceful oasis. State-of-the-art amenities. Equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, this residence caters to every modern need. Smart home technology, a private home theater, and a well-appointed wine cellar elevate the living experience. Sophisticated bedrooms. The bedrooms provide sophisticated sanctuaries that offer comfort and relaxation. Each room is thoughtfully designed to provide a peaceful haven for residents. Conclusion. In conclusion, 1432 Lindakerist Drive in Beverly Hills is more than just a residence, it's a statement of luxury and prestige. With its prime location, architectural beauty, and luxurious features, this property offers an unparalleled opportunity to indulge in the refined lifestyle that Beverly Hills is renowned for.